This week's top stories. PTSG acquires Indepth Hygiene Services. Premier Technical Services Group Limited has announced its acquisition of Indepth Hygiene Services Limited, a specialist fire safety company. The deal means that PTSG can expand their fire services offering. Indepth specialises in fire damper maintenance and grease extract ductwork cleaning. FM consultant to speak about employer domestic abuse prevention at cleaning show. Fiona Bowman, FM consultant, author and domestic abuse campaigner, will speak at the cleaning show to encourage cleaning companies to put domestic violence policies in place. Fiona's presentation will outline her personal experience of escaping an abusive marriage with support from her employers at Standard Chartered Bank in Edinburgh, where she worked at the time. Rishi Sunak creates a new department for energy security and net zero. In addition to a cabinet reshuffle, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has created a new ministerial department to deal with the UK's energy security. Headed up by Grant Shapps MP, the new Department for Energy Security and Net Zero has been tasked with securing our long-term energy supply, bringing down bills and halving inflation.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.